In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 81 by 4 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 8. We know that 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, we get a 0. Now 0 is less than 4. That is why we will bring down this number 1 here. Now see that this is the number 1. As we have brought down the number 1, so we need to divide it. We know that 4 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 1. Now see that we have no number to bring down here, and this number 1 is less than 4. That is why in this case we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. Now we know that 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, we get 2. Again 2 is less than 4. That is why we will again borrow 0. Now 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get 0. As we have obtained the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 81 divided by 4 is equal to 20.25. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.